everybody, welcome back to my page. I hope everyone is doing great tonight. We are on bag 4 of the delivery truck for Santa's Little Helpers. This is bag 1, 2, and 3. For those of you, if you have not seen the other videos, this moves and folds down, as you can see, like a little tailgate. And then this piece here opens up. And I guess the gifts will be in there. So that is bag 3. We've got bag 4 laid out and ready to go. So we are going to get started on that, and we'll just get our pieces going and move forward. So here we go. Already using the steering wheel. Cool. Looks like we're doing duplicate real quick here. Looks like we're going to put the front lights on there, which looks cool as always. I like the way they do that. Cool. Okay. Oops. Alright, so that's going to go those are pushed down correctly. We don't want anything coming off or apart. All right, there we go. Coming right along. So these two. I love the way they make this look. Looks like a little old truck, like the old-timey cars. Not like the new ones we got nowadays. Pretty cool.